What happens to your body when you do cardio every day? Cardiovascular exercise enhances physical fitness by promoting heart and blood vessel health, increasing stamina, and regulating metabolism, which in turn aids in fat reduction. In this video, I will explain the fundamentals of cardio training, its impact on overall well-being, and the optimal time and manner of execution. I encourage you to watch the entire video, as it promises to be both engaging and informative. Let's get started. What is cardio? Cardiovascular exercise involves the heart functioning at an accelerated rate, while subcutaneous fat and glycogen are utilized as energy sources. These activities have a beneficial impact on organ function, fortify blood vessels, enhance respiratory capacity, boost endurance, and facilitate weight loss. The attainment of elevated heart rate levels is a requisite for effective training. Physical activity prompts the heart muscle to beat at the desired frequency, prompting the activation of metabolism and biochemical mechanisms. Sustaining heart rate within prescribed thresholds for a period of 30 to 60 minutes yields optimal training outcomes, although exceeding these limits poses a risk to health, hence necessitating continual monitoring of these parameters during exercise. The benefits of cardio exercise. What are the benefits of cardio training? Cardiovascular exercises not only burn calories and boost endurance, but also promote lung ventilation, oxygenate body cells, train the heart muscle, diminish the likelihood of heart attacks, prevent atherosclerosis, hypertension, and diabetes. Hasten metabolism, regulate hormone levels, enhance skin quality, reduce bad cholesterol, reinforce bone tissue, and stimulate endorphin production, thereby enhancing stress resilience, balancing the central nervous system, invigorating the body, and boosting energy levels. However, the efficacy and benefits of any cardio exercise hinge on adequate nutrition. Only a diet rich in complex carbohydrates and protein can sustain energy levels and foster the optimal functioning of all bodily systems. Target heart rate. To ascertain the maximum heart rate level for a given person, the formula 220-age is utilized. In the initial weeks, the indicator should not surpass 60% of the derived value, gradually progressing to 70 to 80% thereafter. The selection of an individual pulse zone is predicated on the training objectives. The best time of day to do cardio. What is the best time to do cardio? For weight loss purposes, the recommended duration of a workout is 40 to 60 minutes. It takes around 30 minutes for fat to begin to be burned, hence it's advisable not to terminate the exercise regimen prematurely. Nonetheless, when performing cardio after strength training or in the morning on an empty stomach, the duration shouldn't exceed 20 to 30 minutes since glycogen levels are lower, and fat is utilized as fuel. To achieve weight loss goals, workouts should be carried out with a frequency of 2 to 3 times per week. The first is morning. This time frame is ideal for engaging in running, walking, or using cardio machines. The training session is conducted in a fasted state. As the body burns fat instantly after a night of fasting, a 30-minute workout can be dedicated to this activity. The second is the day. Any form of cardio can be pursued during this period, yet their primary benefit is strengthening the heart as opposed to aiding in weight loss. The workout duration should span 1 hour. Approximately 30 to 45 minutes post-exercise, it is imperative to consume protein-rich foods. Complex carbohydrates should be ingested an hour after the workout. The third is evening. This period is equally suitable for any cardio exercises and doesn't vary in duration from daytime workouts. The effectiveness of a workout in burning fat is contingent on the pre-workout meal. To achieve weight loss, it is crucial to observe a 1.5 to 2 hour gap without food to prevent fat accumulation at night. The fourth option involves morning and evening workouts, ideal for fat burning, and they work exceptionally well. Both sessions should last 30 minutes, with the first being performed on an empty stomach, and the second at bedtime, without consuming any food afterward. Cardio to lose weight. How to do cardio for weight loss. It's important to note that cardio training doesn't always result in the burning of a significant amount of calories, particularly if the training is arranged incorrectly. Moreover, excessively intense and prolonged exercise can lead to heart strain. Therefore, it's crucial to correctly evaluate your capabilities and design a workout plan. Different individuals have distinct rates of fat burning, depending on factors like age, level of exertion, and physical condition. To achieve good weight loss results, the training pace should keep the heart rate at 70 to 80% of the maximum. This rate enables the burning of about 500 to 800 kilocalories in 1 hour. However, cardio exercises for weight loss are chosen based on individual characteristics and objectives. It's advisable to begin training at a minimal pace and gradually increase the pulse, keeping it under control. Running is an effective and widely used exercise option, but it's not suitable for overweight people due to the significant pressure on the joints and knees. Other reasonably effective options include swimming and jumping rope. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.